A guide to easy maintenance in your daily life. Every few days, remove your phone case and give the back of your phone a good wipe. Clean the inside and outside of the case as well. While you don't need to clean out the ports daily, make sure you do it about once a week. It'll help keep your phone in good working order and prevent gunk from building up. Make it a habit to wipe down your phone screen and around the case at least once a day. It's a great way to keep those smudges and germs at bay. If you use your water bottle for anything other than water, clean it daily. Fill the bottle with warm water and a tablespoon of baking soda or vinegar. Let it sit for a few hours or overnight. Scrub with a bottle brush, rinse well, and let it air dry. Clean your windows at least twice a year. Start by dusting the window frames and sills. Use a glass cleaner or a mixture of water and vinegar. Wipe one side of the window horizontally and the other vertically. If streaks form, you'll know which side they're on. Air conditioning. Clear your air conditioning. Depending on the type of filter, change it every 1 to 3 months. Turn off the air conditioning unit, locate the filter, remove the old filter, and insert the new one, and turn the unit back on. Clean your bathroom every 1 to 2 weeks to prevent mildew and other buildup. Scrub the shower tub, sink, and toilet with a bathroom cleaner. Use a toothbrush for hard-to-reach areas and grout. Wipe down all surfaces and mirrors, mop the floor, and clean the trash bin. Clean your oven and linen. Change and clean your towels and bed sheets every week to maintain hygiene. With these simple steps, you'll be able to keep your home and phone sparkling clean with ease. Go forth and conquer that cleaning schedule like the boss you are.